Hello everyone and welcome to Moonride. I'm Dave Johnson and I'm channeling Man and Moon. I am very interested today in knowing about the Justice Department. There's very shocking information. I think that we really haven't taken it in yet, that Trump really did try to overturn the election. Again, I think we're still in shock. I also think we've been so inundated with information that we are no longer able to be shocked by what Trump has done. So my question today is, will this make any difference? We are already pursuing Trump. It doesn't look like he's going to get the justice that we think that he deserves. That's the way that it appears. I'm just curious to see if this will make any difference and if Trump will be punished for these crimes. So, Spirit, what about the Justice Department? There are people who are very, very upset at the Justice Department. They're extremely upset. And they are not missing how serious this is. I just see like a lot of guys in suits, maybe a couple ladies in suits, who are really angry, and they are so furious, like gritting their teeth, angry, which gives me some hope. Something's going to happen. And they're going to make accusations of others. So keep in mind, it's not just Trump, but others have committed serious crimes, and they will be prosecuted. They don't have any public support. They are unknown people. Barr will be in very serious trouble. So will Meadows. Meadows is going to jail. That's what I see right away. Mark Meadows will go to prison. I can see him behind the bars. I would say that's true for Barr. These are very serious crimes. There's a judge. The judge is also looking very, very angry. He's looking at both of those two characters. There are other people who are implicated. They're going to turn each other in. There will be no lack of evidence here. Those two people are kind of blaming Trump. That is Barr and Meadows. They're kind of implicating Trump, but they're kind of not. They're sort of in the middle there, and they have a difficult position, right? They don't want to look like they're selling out the president, but they also don't want to go to jail. There's a lot of court action that's going to go on. Look, one thing is the wheels of justice are slow, but they do turn, and they're turning in the right direction. The problem, of course, is the next election. Everybody's concerned about that. Keep in mind that the Justice Department isn't necessarily dependent on the Senate. So they'll keep going. This is why we're seeing a lot of the work done in the Justice Department and not in Congress, because they are the branch of government that should prosecute, not the Congress. Keep in mind also, there's a lot of material here. Everybody tried to block Obama. The Republicans tried to block everything Obama did, and they had a lot of advantages. They don't have those advantages now. People are not necessarily focused on other things. They're focused on, again and again, the revelations coming out of the people like the Justice Department that Republicans did extraordinary criminal measures. There's no question, these people tried to take over the government. We got to give credit, Barr actually demurred. He ultimately did not. He quit. Other people quit. There were people who did do the right thing, which is one thing that we need to notice. Not all Republicans are traitors. Some of them actually did do the right thing at great risk, great peril to themselves and their families. So on the bright side, a good thing is being revealed here. Republicans are also horrified. Now they have to own Trump again for his terrible things, and this will not help them when they move towards their election. Anytime they go to a town hall, they ask, and anybody asks a question, they're going to be asked these questions over and over and over again for the next 2 years. People are much more likely to overlook other things that Biden might do wrong or other problems, because this is the fundamental point of our democracy. You have to have an independent judiciary. Now, Amy Coney Barrett is coming into vision. And so, is it just her? Yeah, so is the other guy, the last guy, the man they've just appointed, not Kavanaugh, but the guy before the Gorsuch, I think. These guys are coming into vision. I don't know why. My question was not about them. Spirit, what about these people? They are also in trouble. I know that somebody just subpoenaed, the other members of the Supreme Court just subpoenaed them and subpoenaed financial records from Gorsuch and Barrett. So that's pretty serious stuff. There's something up there. There's something going on. These two are also raging, looking very angry, and looking very shifty, like they do have something to hide. Expect big changes in the way that justice has been revealed. Also, expect that it will take 6 months. They are building their cases. It might look like they aren't doing anything, but that's because they have to keep quiet on the information that they've got. There's something going on with Barrett. She did something wrong. I guess I'm seeing money. She took a bribe. Something like that happened with her, and that's going to be exposed. So we have not seen the end of the fight in the Supreme Court. It might be that Biden has the opportunity to replace a couple of Supreme Court justices. After all, this will be a great battle, but it looks to me like these two people are removed and replaced by Democrats. That brings us back to 5-4, doesn't it, from 6-3? So do not be surprised. There will be other problems at the Supreme Court. It's become politicized, and it should not be. So, is Trump gonna face any justice here? Yes. These will be other pressures that are put upon him, and more pressure than people realize. It's not just these things are piling up, but these are not financial. These are criminal. People are facing criminal indictments, and they will start speaking. They'll be obliged to tell the truth. Some people will be obliged to tell the truth or face criminal indictments. Trump knows this, and if it gives you any satisfaction, it's making him very, very nervous. It's stressing him out, and it's stressing out those who supported this military coup. I think that we have to call it that. Over time, this is going to reveal itself to be what it is, and it will not benefit people in Trump's camp, nor will it benefit the Republican Party. Thanks for watching.